Hi y'all. Okay, so we're on the 5th floor and we're about to see the model. I did want you to see just what it looks like inside the hallway, and you can see the carpet there. The carpet looks really good. It's well lit. I like the lighting that's here, so I like that. Here are the walls, so you can see it. And then there's kind of an alternating that's lighter and that's darker. And then here's the actual residence here, and just so you can see what it looks like. And this is 517, so we're gonna walk in and see what it looks like. So let's try. Okay, so that's a study. So that's a study that's right off when you walk in, and then to the left is a guest bath. Let's see what's over here. Okay, so that's some equipment. All right, so we got some built-in for towels and some things like that right here. This is nice. This is very big for a little guest bathroom. It's quite big. I'm thinking that right here is probably that's where the washer dryer would go. So, and notice you've got some space up there too. All right, so let's walk in. It's striking me that this is a rather big one-bedroom den. There's a lot of space here. So let's go into the kitchen. You've got a pretty granite countertop here and a dual sink right over here. You do have the dishwasher that's over here. You've got the microwave. You've got the stove. And do you see? You really do have a lot of cabinet space. So I feel that's check plus, more than adequate on the cabinet space. So you can store a lot of dishes. A lot of other things there. So, and then you've got a great stainless steel fridge that's right there. So that's all good. Just curious, I passed this by. Yeah, this is another closet, so I like that. That's good for storage, for coats and things like that. So right, I like it. You've really got a lot of a nice. I like this backsplash, by the way. I do like this tile backsplash. That's really cool. So it's a subway tile. And then now let's go into the living area. And this is a large living area. The flooring is a hardwood. It's kind of a little bit shiny, and it's nice. I like it. This room is very, very large. It's got a lot of wall space, so you can put a ton of furniture in. It feels really well lighted, so I like that. You've got great windows that are here, so feels really, really good in here. I like the amount of windows that are here. And then you've got a balcony. We're going to see this balcony. I cannot wait. So let's open it up. And let's see. Okay, hang on.